Don't waste your time to date a man who doesn't want to do anything for you, either to give you money or to buy presents for you. You have to know that he is doing all those things to other women. Men, they spend money to women they love. If you saw that he doesn't want to spend his money on you, or you have to beg money on him every time, or you becoming angry. If you don't being angry, he doesn't give you money, there is no relationship. Guys, when a man he truly loves you, he can buy presents without asking him, and he can surprise you every time with chocolates, with ice creams. But when you saw your boyfriend doesn't want to give you any cent or to buy anything for you, you have to know that you are not in relationship with that person, and he is spending money with other women, especially at Valentine's, at Christmas, and he can spend money with other women, not with you. So you have to be careful. When you saw your boyfriends on holidays, he doesn't want to spend time with you, you have to know that he have got someone who is special in his life. So be careful with people you are dating. Even you are telling him that I don't have money to buy bread, the food you want to eat, but he doesn't care. He can say, baby, I'm broke, I don't have money. He is broke, but every day that person he is going to work, every month he have got salary. Yes, we know that salary is not enough, but you have to think that even the small he have, and your boyfriend can come to you, he have got alcohol every time. Alcohol, he can afford to buy alcohol for himself every time. He have got alcohol, but he can't buy even a coke for you to drink. Your boyfriend, he is drinking alcohol, you are sitting with him, he is busy drinking alcohol, but you don't drink anything. You are busy, you say you are in a relationship with the kind of a person. We know that your boyfriend, if he loves you, when he brought himself an alcohol, he can think that my girlfriend want, even you don't drink alcohol, you can say, he can say, I have to buy soft drink, you can drink some of the drinks. You have to be careful, women, when you are dating those men, because other men are using you to have sex with them only. They want the service, and when you service them, they don't want to give you anything. And when you're asking money, sometimes he can get angry. So you have to be careful when you are dating those people. Men, they don't spend money to women they don't love. They can't do that. Men are very stingy when they are dating women they don't love. But when he is dating a woman he loves, he is not stingy.